All right. Mr. Chason tested negative for everything, so that's good. Thank you. Yes, thank you. I need your signature, though. All right, ma'am, you're Reisha Chason, and will she waive the formal reading of the indictment?
She will, Your Honor.
And again, we're just going to get a plea on the new indictment, reset the MTRP case, and come back and see where we are with.
Right here is where the gears shift. This isn't a full sentencing yet. This is the chessboard stage. The defense wants a reset, the court wants clarity, and you should be asking, what's lurking in that pre-sentence report that could change everything later? Comment below if you think judges should be allowed to sentence on the spot, or if delays like this help defendants prepare.
The pre-sentence report, is that correct? That's correct. Okay. That goes with that also.
Judge, just to refresh the court's recollection, the co-defendant in this case, who is the, in my opinion, much more culpable defendant, has already pled the TDC time.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Chason, in cause number 24, DCCR 2351, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of injury to a child, and that's from July 19th of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge? I'm sorry? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you did what they've charged you with? I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Burbank? And do you fully understand them? And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal? So if I follow the agreement, you can't change your mind later. Do you understand? And it looks like the agreement that you've made is for a 5-year deferred adjudicated probation. There would be a $500 fine, and you would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Is that your understanding? Also, do you understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State tenders number 1.
No objection, states 1.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Ms. Chason is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily, find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, but I'm going to reset your case so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. And if that can include an update also on the probation case where the motion's filed, so I can have all that information as well, and then we will come back at a later date for sentencing.
This is huge. She's been found guilty, but the judge isn't entering a conviction yet. That's the power of deferred adjudication. It's like pressing pause on a criminal record, but only if she walks the line perfectly. One violation? Boom, full conviction. What do you think is it? Deferred adjudication? A second chance? Or just a time bomb waiting to go off?
You need to stop and talk to probation on your way out of the courtroom today, and she's sitting at that desk right over there. All right, we'll see y'all back at sentencing.
Would the court consider allowing her to remove the drug patch? It's costing some money that she doesn't have.
Not until sentencing. We're going to keep it on until sentencing. Make sure you keep it on and keep it updated, and then if everything goes well,
When do I come?
it's about 5 or 6 weeks. Okay?
Maybe excuse me.
Yes, thank you.